Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to take a look at how you can interrogate your designs from the inside out. When you're dealing with round shapes like this one, or really any other geometry type, there's a time in which you may want to generate a section view or a cross section of the model to interrogate the design. You'll find section view under the Create 2D tab and section view. Using section view, you can pull out a section plane in order to see through your design. You can use the standard drawing planes or even rotate one of your own. This is a fast and easy way to interrogate your design and be able to see through it without having to edit the model directly. Now, at any time where this section plane turns pink, if you'd like to extract a wireframe for that section, you could do so. Just click Create Wireframe, and at this point we've generated wireframe for where that section plane was. This is a great tool to help in the design and manufacturing process.